Maximizing cybersecurity for SMBs, the power of alerting systems. As a senior cybersecurity leader and advisor, I've witnessed firsthand the evolving landscape of digital threats facing small and medium-sized businesses. In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is no longer a luxury but a necessity for businesses of all sizes. The rapid digitalization of operations, coupled with the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks, has made it imperative for SMBs to implement robust security measures. One of the most effective ways for SMBs to enhance their cybersecurity posture is by focusing on alerting systems. These systems, which include intrusion detection and prevention systems, file integrity monitoring, web application firewalls, and antivirus solutions, serve as the first line of defense against potential threats. By providing real-time notifications of suspicious activities, these tools enable SMBs to quickly detect and respond to threats, minimizing the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. The business value of implementing alerting systems for SMBs cannot be overstated. These tools protect valuable assets and sensitive data, help maintain customer trust, and comply with regulatory requirements. Moreover, they provide SMB leaders and security teams with valuable insights into their network security status, enabling them to make informed decisions about resource allocation and risk management. Different alerting systems offer unique benefits to SMBs. For instance, IDS, IPS solutions monitor network traffic for signs of malicious activity, alerting security teams to potential intrusions and automatically blocking suspicious connections. This proactive approach can prevent attacks before they cause significant damage. On the other hand, FIM tools monitor critical files and systems for unauthorized changes, helping detect insider threats and malware infections that might otherwise go unnoticed. Embracing zero trust principles for enhanced security. SMBs can bolster their cybersecurity further by adopting zero trust principles, a security approach that enforces the mantra never trust, always verify. Zero trust continuously authenticates and verifies each access request based on identity, device, and context. This strategy, achievable through steps like implementing multi-factor authentication, behavior monitoring, and enforcing least privilege access, can effectively mitigate risks, especially in today's remote work environment where employees and contractors might access resources from various locations. Zero trust can be invaluable in securing SMB networks against unauthorized access and improving overall cyber hygiene. The added power of threat intelligence integration. Integrating threat intelligence feeds into alerting systems offers a substantial boost in detecting and preventing cyber threats. With threat intelligence, IDS, IPS, WAF, and FIM systems become more proactive by drawing on real-time, industry-specific information on the latest attack methods. This enhancement enables SMBs to avoid threats relevant to their sector, such as phishing and ransomware attacks, and react faster to emerging vulnerabilities. Subscription-based threat intelligence services provide a cost-effective way for SMBs to incorporate this advanced capability into their cybersecurity strategies, leveraging cloud-based security solutions. For SMBs facing resource constraints, cloud-based alerting solutions represent a practical path to robust cybersecurity. By adopting cloud-hosted IDS, IPS, WAF, and FIM systems, SMBs can eliminate the need for expensive hardware investments. Managed service providers continuously update these scalable solutions, ensuring that businesses remain protected against evolving threats. Cloud-based solutions provide flexibility, allowing SMBs to scale their security capabilities in line with their growth without needing a dedicated in-house security team. The value of these alerting systems extends beyond mere threat detection. They provide SMBs with a comprehensive view of their security posture, enabling them to identify vulnerabilities, track security trends, and demonstrate compliance with industry standards. This holistic approach to security protects the business and enhances its reputation and competitive edge in the market. Managing and maximizing alerting systems effectively. However, implementing and managing these alerting systems is not without challenges. Many SMBs face resource constraints, both in terms of budget and expertise. These systems' sheer volume of alerts can overwhelm small security teams, leading to alert fatigue and potentially missed threats. Additionally, the rapidly evolving nature of cyber threats means that alerting systems must be constantly updated and fine-tuned to remain effective. To overcome these challenges, SMBs can adopt several strategies. First, prioritizing alerts based on their severity and potential impact can help focus resources on the most critical threats. Implementing automation and orchestration tools can streamline the alert management process, reducing the burden on security teams. Additionally, leveraging managed security services can provide SMBs with access to advanced technologies and expert knowledge without the need for significant in-house resources. Another approach is integrating different alerting systems into a unified security information and event management platform. This consolidation can provide a more comprehensive view of the organization's security status, correlating data from various sources to identify complex threats that individual systems might miss. Looking to the future, cybersecurity alerting is poised for significant advancements. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are increasingly incorporated into alerting systems, enhancing their ability to detect novel threats and reduce false positives. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that might indicate a security breach, even if the specific attack method is unknown. Embracing the future of cybersecurity for SMBs. The rise of cloud-based security solutions offers new opportunities for SMBs to access advanced alerting capabilities without significant upfront investments. These solutions can provide scalability and flexibility, allowing businesses to adapt their security measures as their needs evolve. Additionally, integrating threat intelligence feeds further empowers SMBs to proactively respond to emerging threats by benefiting from the collective knowledge of the global cybersecurity community. In summary, alerting systems are a crucial component of cybersecurity for SMBs, offering substantial business value through enhanced threat detection and protection of valuable assets. To maximize the benefits of these systems, SMB leaders and security teams should 1. Assess their security posture and identify gaps that alerting systems can address. 2. Implement a layered approach to security, incorporating various alerting tools, such as IDS, IPS, FIM, WAF, and antivirus solutions. 3. Develop strategies to manage and prioritize alerts effectively, possibly through automation and integration with SIEM platforms. By taking these steps, SMBs can significantly enhance their cybersecurity defenses, protecting their business from evolving threats in the digital landscape. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process, and staying informed about the latest developments in alerting systems and threat detection technologies is crucial for maintaining a robust security posture. To learn more about implementing effective alerting systems for your SMB, consider exploring resources from reputable cybersecurity organizations, attending industry conferences, or consulting with cybersecurity experts. The investment in knowledge and tools today can save your business from potentially devastating cyber attacks in the future. CPF Coaching can help you make the right recommendation to help your organization